everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are in the Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania today. We're at Great Wolf Lodge, and off in the distance there you can see Camelback Ski Resort. And it is about 9 or 10 degrees outside at the moment, and it's so cold that our hotel window is condensating right into the room, which can't be good for the materials in the building, but I'm no engineer. So let's speed test all 3 providers here at Great Wolf Lodge and see who comes out on top. I can tell you right off the bat, the service here in the hotel is very spotty to terrible depending on where you are. Outside it's a little bit better. We got Verizon taking the lead on the Z Fold 7. AT&T looks like it's stuck. Well, nope, there it goes. And T-Mobile is, this one over here is actually the hotel Wi-Fi, which appears to be Verizon Fiber, running 20 up and about 20 down. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi now. We'll reset that. All right, I got Verizon reset, or T-Mobile reset. My daughter's climbing into the window with her iPad. Oh, hey, you just hit me. And yeah, T-Mobile doing better than AT&T, but nowhere near Verizon. The loaded ping times are really bad, although so were the ones over on Verizon. And the upload is not great either, although T-Mobile appears to be winning the upload game at the moment. And for infrastructure in the distance there, you can see all the cell towers up on the hill, although some of those appear to be microwave backhaul sites. And yeah, there's inside the hotel. Maybe later I'll do one on the outside for you. Interstate 80 running across the back of the resort here. So yeah, hang in with me and we'll try somewhere else on the property potentially. All right, so in my rush to make a video for you guys, I didn't realize that I forgot to change the eSIM on my iPhone to T-Mobile. So the test you saw earlier was just Verizon on the iPhone and Verizon on the Z Fold. Here is an actual T-Mobile speed test on the iPhone. And man, T-Mobile's not doing good in this spot. Looks like the upload might actually fail. Or just be terrible. There it goes. Yeah, so there's the T-Mobile experience here in the Poconos at this resort anyway. And yeah, there's Camelback Mountain, zooming in with the Google Pixel 10 XL. See, how far can we zoom in? There's 20x on the Pixel. A little hard to stabilize though. And there's the equipment on the hill behind us. So yeah, sorry, I'm a goof. I forgot to change the eSIM. But yeah, there you go. Final results on T-Mobile. Right here. See, now on the other side of the hotel, facing the ropes course, you can actually see another tower in the distance there. That's right over by the premium outlets. I forget the exact name. But yeah, that's probably why the signal in the room was terrible, because I bet we were connecting to that site and not getting the full N41 on T-Mobile, and probably blocking the signal of the other providers too. Yeah, so see, on this side of the resort, the signal's coming through much better, and we're getting the typical T-Mobile performance we know and love. And oh, look, it looks like a bunch of the workers are getting dropped off for their morning shift. This tower we're in is brand new, opened in 23 or 24. There's my checkout notice. So yeah, almost a gig on the down and getting close to 100 on the up. And the ping times are much better. So yeah, signal's just getting cooked on the side of the resort we were in. Today's video is brought to you by Circled In. CircledIn.com can help you go from a solo plan in wireless to a family plan or a group plan to save money on your wireless bill. Many postpaid providers give you a savings as you add more lines to your account. Circled In allows you to join a large account without having to go through the time or expense of building your own family plan. If you click on the How It Works tab, you get a breakdown of how easy it is to use Circled In and what it can do for you. You can join a circle to unlock group discounts and save on your bill. And you can also see testimonials from users who have already done it and saved a ton of money. The All Circles tab allows you to search for a specific plan or feature or carrier, and you can filter by providers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, or you can also filter by price from low to high. There's a convenient set of sliding bars that allow you to set a range for a price, or you can just scroll down and browse the available circles on the website. For example, if we scroll down the page a little bit, you can see the group name and the price and the plan and some of the features that are available under that plan. When you're ready to join, you can hit Join the Circle. The website will load and give you a breakdown of the pricing and features that you're about to get and all of the costs. So, if you ever need help, there's also a resource tab that you can click on that'll give you places to get help like customer service or frequently asked questions. And there's an About Us tab that'll give you what Circled In is and a little bit about the company and their mission. CircledIn.com. Check them out today. Thank you again for sponsoring today's video and allowing us to help inform more people about how to save money on their wireless bill. Outside the resort now in the Poconos area, and I am waiting to pick up the family, so let's do a little AT&T and Verizon, or I'm sorry, AT&T and T-Mobile. I'm always getting my names screwed up. AT&T pulling about 200 on the outside, and T-Mobile, oh, God, I hate using the hotel Wi-Fi, but inside you had no choice because it was so weak on all the providers that you didn't really have a choice. AT&T just finished at 205 on the down. Here goes T-Mobile, pulling about 300. If the hotel building itself was not in the way, we would probably get similar to what I got on the correct side of the hotel, which was closer to 1,000 down. Unloaded at 79, loaded ping time approaching 1,000 on the down and the up. And AT&T ping time's in a similar situation, and their upload is complete garbage. And T-Mobile is worse. Look at that. Okay. Here's a really quick Verizon in the Poconos area. Ooh, that ping time, not good.
Okay, make sure you buckle.
Download's very competitive with AT&T. Jitter is atrocious. The carriers really need to think about building something on site here. I mean, there's got to be close to 1,000 hotel rooms, so it would really benefit all the people that come here. So yeah, not quite beating AT&T, but at least it's kind of in the neighborhood, and the upload is far better. AT&T barely pulling 1.68, and Verizon very usable at 13, but not spectacular. So there you go.